students, welcome back to our video tutorial on grade TV. It's Mensuration from DG Secondary School. Dear students, today I am going to teach or discuss about the new topic, mensuration. This one, first of all, what's the definition of mensuration? That mensuration, arithmetic, geometry, algebra, probability, statistics, various that the branch of mathematics that all. This one is also branch of mathematics. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals that with size, length, area of 3D figure. 2D figure, plane figure, 3D figure, space figure. Yes, today I am going to do that 2D figure, that the plane figure, how we find the area of triangle. Triangle is a 2D figure. You already studied in the previous class. The content of this topic, the content of this video must be important or beneficial for class 9 and class 8 as well. How we find area of triangle? Various types of triangle, that equilateral triangles, that is scalene triangles, isosceles triangles, right angle triangles, that the types of triangle in side bases. So dear students, this is the basic concept of mensuration. Without plane figure, we can't complete that solid figure, that the TSA, total surface area, curved surface area, or lateral surface area, or that volume. So dear students, before that, first, how we find the area of triangle? That the various type of triangle. First of all, what the formula to calculate area of triangle having base and altitude, base and height. Yes, dear students. First one, triangle, area of triangle in terms of its base and altitude. Altitude means height. Okay, dear students, I have one triangle. This triangle ABC, because this plane figure, closed plane figure, have three sides. This geometrical figure is called triangle. Here AB, BC and ACA, that the enclosed bounded by these three sides, so this enclosed plane figure is called triangle. Yes. In the given figure, BC is the base, AD perpendicular BC, so AD is the height of triangle ABC. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC equal to 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base. BC line segments of this triangle is base. So BC into height means AD equal to 1/2 B into earth. This one is the required condition to find the area of triangle ABC. So dear students, without this formula you can't find the area of triangles if your base and altitudes are given. यदि बेस र त्यसको हाइट उचाइ गिवन दिएको छ भने कुनै पनि त्रिभुजको फर्मुला 1/2 बेस इन्टु हाइट हुन्छ. यो नै ट्रायंगल्सको फर्मुला हो. अब त्यो ट्रायंगल, what types of triangle is that? That equilateral triangles or isosceles triangle or scalene triangle or right angle triangle, that various types of triangle in the side bases. In that case, we can use different formula. Yes. Now, I am going to first which formula apply to find the area of an equilateral triangle. So dear students, area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle. We know, we already studied in class 9 what's the formula to calculate area of an equilateral triangle? That A equal to root 3 by 4 A square. This one is formula, this one is condition. Find the A means side of an equilateral triangle. So how we generalize this formula? Yes, we know the area of triangles equal to 1 by 2 base into height. I have the triangles that all sides are equal, A, B, C, this one side, this side, this, all sides are equal. We can let the unknown sides of these triangles be A, because all sides are equal. So here let the triangle ABC is given alongside is an equilateral triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to A. Suppose here all sides are equal, so this triangle is called equilateral triangle. So dear students, if we let the one side of triangles be A, another one is also A, another one is also A, because all sides are equal. Okay, here drawn AD perpendicular BC. Here drawn AD perpendicular BC, this D, now length of ACB A. So BD equal to CD equal to A divided by 2. This one is theorem. In isosceles triangles or in an equilateral triangle, while drawn one height from vertex to the opposite sides of base bisect the base. That means BC divided to equal halves by this point D, because D is the midpoint. Yes, this one is perpendicular drawn from point A to BC line segments. Therefore, BD equal to CD. So the length of BD A by 2. Similarly, CD A by 2. Now, dear students, we know the area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Yes, the value of base of this triangle BC is A. Then what's the value of height? What the altitude of these triangles, that AD? What the value of AD? Okay, we can find the value of AD by using Pythagoras theorem, because this triangle ADC or ADB both is the right angle triangle. Because in this triangles one angle is 90 degree, so these triangles are said to be that right angle triangle. Yes, the triangles make at point D is right angle, so this triangle is said to be right angle triangle. Now we can find the value of AD, because AD is the height of this triangle. So we can find the value of AD by using that Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ABC ABD. Here AD equal to that root under square of hypotenuse. This line segment is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle ABD, because the opposite of 90 degree angle ADB is 90 degree, because by construction AD is perpendicular BC. So AB is hypotenuse of right angle triangle ABD. So A square minus H square minus B square. B means base that BD means A by 2 whole square equal to root under that A square minus is the square of A and 2, that consequent and antecedent, or numerator and denominator, that A square divided by 4. Now the value of AD equal to, this will get another side now, root under that 4A square taking LCM, by taking LCM 4a square minus a square divided by 4 equal to, now 3a square, we can get a from that radicand, from that radical sign. Now a root under, here subtracted value is 3, okay, students, here root under that 4a square minus a square, 3a square divided by 4 is, from the numerator we can take outside from this radical sign that a and down one with the perfect square number, so we get out from that radicand. Therefore AD equal to a root under 3 divided by 2. Yes, the value of AD means height of this triangle, ABC, AD is the height. Finally area of an equilateral triangle ABC equal to 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base into height. The 1/2 base of this triangle is BC. BC side is the base of this triangle. Now therefore value of BC is A dot multiply. You can write anyone here. Now height is AD. AD is the height of this triangle. Now value of AD equal to that A root 3 divided by 2. We can substitute the value of AD on height, that A the root 3 divided by 2. Now this root 3 by 2 and 1/2 upon constant, we can multiply that root 3 divided by 2 to the 4. Arrival that A square. Therefore the required condition, area of an equilateral triangles ABC equal to root 3 by 4 A square. This one is the required condition. Dear students, कुनै पनि समबाहु त्रिभुज भन्छ हामी इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगललाई। समबाहु त्रिभुजको सबै, बाहुको अर्थ भुजा हो, भुजा भनेको साइडहरु हो, सबै भुजाहरु चाहिँ यदि बराबर छन् भने त्यस्तो त्रिभुजलाई हामी समबाहु त्रिभुज भन्छौं। समबाहु त्रिभुजको क्षेत्रफल निकाल्नको लागि हामीले यो फर्मुला प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ, रुट 3 डिवाइड बाइ 4 a स्क्वायर, जहाँ a भनेको यो ट्रायंगलको साइड हो। Dear students, another two formula, you can derive another two formula to calculate the area of that scalene triangles. Another one isosceles triangles is, dear students, now isosceles triangles formula to calculate the area of it is that given by b by 4. Another one, that area of an isosceles triangle is given by b by 4 root under 4a square minus b square. This one is the area of an isosceles triangles. Here a and b, there are two variables. We know in isosceles triangles have three sides. Any type of triangles have three sides. Now your two sides are equal, so this triangle is called an isosceles triangles. Here these two sides we can denote by a. Each of two sides of an isosceles triangles denoted by we can denote by a, and third side we can denote by b. Here by a represent the equal side of these triangles and b represent third side or remaining side which is not equal with the equal sides. So dear students, a means equal to sides. We can substitute the value of a. Similarly, we can substitute the value of b third side when we find area of the triangles. Similarly, scalene triangles are triangles which do not equal any sides of triangle. This type of triangle is called scalene triangles. These not equal to each other. Here A, B, C is called that scalene triangle if AB does not equal BC, does not equal AC in length. Mathematical interpretation, mathematical form of scalene triangle is this. If triangle ABC in what condition? This triangle is scalene triangle. If the triangle satisfies this condition, then that triangle is called that scalene triangles. Here AB does not equal with BC, does not equal to AC in length. यदि यो ट्रायंगल को सबै भुजाहरुको लम्बाई आफैमा बराबर हुँदैन, यदि यो कन्डिसन यो चाहिँ अवस्था त्यसले चाहिँ सटिस्फाइड गर्छ प्रतिस्थापन गर्छ इन दैट केस वी कैन सी दिस ट्रायंगल इज स्केलर triangle, and that is we can apply this formula to calculate area of this one. Opposite of capital A is represent a vertex, similarly opposite B, C opposite C, that the area of this triangle, area of scalar triangle equal to S root under S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here S means semi perimeter. Here S semi perimeter. Semi perimeter A, B, and C are sides of triangle. Here semi perimeter. Half a perimeter, that P divided by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2 is semi-perimeter. First finding semi-perimeter for area of scalar triangle, then we can substitute the value of S, A, B and C. By this formula we can find the area of this triangle. These are the formula to calculate the area of various type of triangle distance. Which formula apply to find the area of that one? That the related formula we can apply to find the area of the triangles. Now I am going to do this numerical, how we find the area of that triangle or how we find the length of its side. Yes, well, that area is given. In that case, easily we can find the length of its side. There are many variables. Out of them, if there is 2 variables or if there are 3 variables or if there are 4 variables, out of them one is remaining, another are given. In that case only we can find the value of that variable. Okay, now question number 1. First one, if the area of an equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 cm square, find the length of its side. Length of its side, that means all sides are equal. That all sides are equal. So this triangle is an equilateral triangle. How we find the length of its side? Here area is given. Given part is its area and to find parts of its side. There are 2 parts, one given part, another two finding parts. So dear students, in first question, solution. Here area of an equilateral triangle, area of an equilateral triangle A equal to the 25 root under 3 cm square. This is the area of triangle. To find the length of its side. Here area of triangle is given. So according to question, area of an equilateral triangle A equal to root 3 by 4 A square. This one is formula to calculate the area of an equilateral triangle. Here root 3 by 4 A square. Why we use this formula? Because this triangle is an equilateral triangle. For that, this formula must be important to find the area of this one. So we can put the value of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle 25 root under 3 cm square equal to root 3 divided by 4, that A square. A means side. Now 25 root 3 or that into 4 divided by or equal to root 3 A square, or 25 root 3 into 4 divided by root 3 equal to A square. How to find the value of A? So how can make free from the constant, this variable? So root 3 get another side in divided form. We can eliminate this 2. We can put this 2. Now 25 4 100, 6 CM square equal to A square. Yes. There is not this one equation. This is the quadratic equation. We get values of A. Here two values. So plus minus 10 CM whole square equal to A square. Now the value of A equal to plus minus 10 CM. We can use here properties of exponential equation. Yes. Like this one as like A square equal to A power x equal to B power x. Yes, if A power x equal to B power x, in that case we can use the properties of exponential equation. Here power are same, power of both the bases of both sides are same. That is, we can equate their base. We can equating its base that A equal to B. So here value of A equal to plus minus 10 centimeter. Dear students, value of A equal to plus minus 10 centimeter. Yes, the value of A equal to plus minus 10. Both are possible or not in this question. Dear students, A is side of the triangle. Side of triangles, A is length of side of triangle. Length always is in positive, not in negative. Therefore, the value of A equal to only plus 10 centimeter. Therefore, the value of A equal to that plus 10 centimeter. Therefore, the required length of its side is 10 centimeter. This one is solution. Clear, bhai bhai? कुनै पनि ट्रायंगल, कुनै पनि त्रिभुजको साइडहरु निकाल्दा हो यो आफैमा एउटा वर्गीय समीकरणको फर्ममा छ। यो वर्गीय समीकरणमा a को भ्यालु दुईवटा निक्लिन्छ। यदि वर्गीय समीकरण हो भने त्यसका मूलहरु जसलाई हामीले रुट भन्छौं, त्यसको मूलहरु दुईवटा निक्लिन्छ। त्यो दुईवटा मध्ये प्लस माइनस दुईटै हो त। किन a ले त्यसको लम्बाइलाई, एउटा त्रिभुजको भुजाको लम्बाइलाई त्यसले प्रतिनिधित्व गर्छ। त्यो गर्दाखेरि a को भ्यालु कहिले पनि लम्बाई ऋणात्मक फर्ममा हुँदैन, यो धनात्मक फर्ममा हुन्छ। त्यही भएर a को भ्यालु चाहिँ प्लस 10 सेन्टिमिटर। यो प्लस a ले तीनवटै साइडलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ। दैट वन साइड, फर्स्ट साइड 10 सेन्टिमिटर, सेकेन्ड वन 10 सेन्टिमिटर, थर्ड इज 10 एज वेल। सो यो तीनवटै साइडलाई 10 सेन्टिमिटर रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ। देयरफोर द the length of its side is 10 centimeter. Okay, now I want to enter in second question. Second one, if the ratio of side of triangles are 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 24 cm, find area of the triangle. Dear students, how we find the area of this triangle? Without side, without length of sides, we can't find the area. First of all, what type of triangle is that? Depend on that. What that equilateral triangles, isosceles triangles, or scalene triangles, or right angle triangles? Don't know. But then in ratio 3:4:5, this one, सबसे हामीले हेर्दा ए कन्डिसनलाई हेर्दा 3:4:5 कुनै पनि साइडको रेशियो अनुपात 3:4:5 को फर्ममा छ भने त्यो साइड आफैमा इक्वल छैन, बराबर छैन। हामीले सरसर्ती हेर्दाखेरि यसलाई हामीले विषमबाहु त्रिभुज अर्थात स्केलेन ट्रायंगल्स को चाहिँ हामीले के गर्छौं, यो टाइप्स स्केलेन ट्रायंगल्स छ भन्ने खालको हेर्छौं। हामीले सरसर्ती यसको सरफेसली हेर्दाखेरि, हामीले बाहिरबाट सरफेसली हेर्दा, तर यसको डिटेलली व्हाट टाइप्स अफ ट्रायंगल इज दैट, त स्केलेन ट्रायंगल्स नै हो भनेर दैट मे बी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इज आल्सो इफ that sides hold that Pythagoras theorem, satisfied that Pythagoras theorem, that sides are Pythagorean triplet. यदि त्यो साइड्स ले यसमा दिएको साइड्सहरुले चाहिँ Pythagoras theorem लाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ, त्यसलाई सटिस्फाइड गर्छ। यदि Pythagoras theorem लाई सटिस्फाइड, किन त्यसलाई हामीले Pythagorean triplet पनि हो भन्न सकिन्छ। So dear students, I am going to do that question number 2. Solution. The ratio of side of a triangle are 3:4:5. Let the length of side of triangle be 3x A equal to 3x, B equal to 4x, and C equal to 5x. Perimeter of triangle P equal to 24 cm. According to question, perimeter P equal to A plus B plus C. Perimeter 24 equal to value of A 3x plus 4x plus 5x, or 24 equal to 3x plus 4x plus 5x, this trinomial form. We can add that all term because these are like terms. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x equal to 12x, or 24 divided by 12 equal to x. Therefore the value of x equal to that 12 2s are. Therefore the value of x equal to 2. The sides becomes in cm, that A equal to 3 into 3x equal to 3.2 equal to 6 cm, B equal to 4x equal to 4.2 equal to 8 cm, C equal to 5x equal to 5.2 equal to 10 cm. Okay, now perimeter. Okay, semi-perimeter name. Semi-perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 equal to that 6 plus 8 plus that 10 divided by 2 equal to that 24 divided by 2 equal to 12 cm. Semi-perimeter of this triangle is 12 cm. Then area of triangle ABC equal to root under S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now substitute the value of that S, A, B and C, or equal to root under S means 12 minus value of A equal to 6, 12 minus value of B equal to 8, 12 minus value of C equal to 10, equal to root under the 12 dot 12 minus 6 times 12 minus 8 4 and 12 minus 10 2 equal to the 2 square into 3 times 2 square into 2. Now the 12 4 into 3 6 equal to root under 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 2 square equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. That 3 to the 6 to the 12 to the 24 cm square. This one is the solution of this numerical. Or directly you can use calculator. What is product value of this form? Then you can get out from that radicand. You can remove this radical sign by calculator, that is square on that form. Then we get the solution of this numerical is 24 cm square. Or directly you can use that 1 by 2 B into P or P into B, because these sides represent the sides of the right angle triangle, because these sides hold that or satisfy that Pythagoras theorem. So 1 by 2 base into perpendicular. Here 1 by 2 base means 8 cm, perpendicular means 6 cm. Now 2 3s are equal to 24 cm square. Directly you can find the area of that one. So anyone you can use. यो फर्मुला छ, यो सूत्र हामीले जुनसुकै ट्रायंगलमा पनि युज गर्न सक्छौं. हामीले साइडहरु गिभन दिएको बेलामा यो फर्मुला हामीले युज गर्न सक्छौं. तर इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, समबाहु त्रिभुजको, त्यसपछि समद्विबाहु त्रिभुजको, त्यसपछि समकोण त्रिभुजको, विषमबाहु त्रिभुजको हामीले फरक फर्मुला किन युज गर्यौं भन्दाखेरि त्यो कति छिटो हुन्छ र हाम्रो एसई मोडलमा चाहिँ भेरी सर्ट टाइप क्वेशनमा चाहिँ त्यो फर्मुला नै लेख्नु पर्ने पनि हुन सक्छ. हुन्छ किनकि यसरी टाइप क्वेसनमा चाहिँ ओन्ली फर्मुलाहरू जस्तै साइड एडी गिवन दिएको व्हाट्स फर्मुला टु क्याल्कुलेट द एरिया अफ एन इक्वल ट्रायंगल विथ साइड एज x or y. We know that √3/4 a square is area that equivalent triangles. We can substitute the value of a when given in question that x is side or y is side. We can put the value of a is y. When given side is that z, in that case we can put the value of a is z square √3/4 z square, and in one instance. So this type question. Another question are also this model question in your textbook. You can do that questions. You can copy from your textbook. If you are confused, if you get confused that one, you can do that question or that numerical that problem with this video. So dear students, practice this question. In next video I will come in next video with that the different model of question, that the various model of question, how we find the area of that scalene triangle when area is given and other two sides, how we find that type question I will